In this video, we will walk through how to submit a problem through the SIPex website. If you can't find the resource you're looking for, our SIPex team is ready to step in and help with your silviculture needs. To get started, simply navigate to the Need Help with a Problem button. Clicking this will take you to a short form. The form will ask a few questions designed to help us understand your situation. For example, when we ask, "How would you apply this information if you had it?" it helps us think about the most practical knowledge we can provide. Here, you can let us know where you are in your process, whether you're still planning, already implementing, or building knowledge for the future. Let's look at case study. For example, let's say you need help finding information on partial harvest practices that reduce wildfire risk in the IDF. You've searched for resources in the database, but haven't been able to find suitable information on variable thinning methods, specifically in the IDF and how that impacts wildfire risk. Once on the Need Help with a Problem page, you would detail your question. What work has been done on variable density thinning in the IDF to reduce wildfire risk? You would select your ideal resource types and add additional keywords to help add specificity. In this case, it could be words like gap size, spacing, waste management options, and recommended equipment. When asked, "How would you apply this information if you had it?" you could say that you're planning a prescription. Once you submit the form, a SIPex team member will review your request and follow up with you about whether we can help and how. Through this process, the SIPex team can provide guidance and support that is specific to your challenge. Welcome to SIPex, your knowledge hub for silviculture innovation in BC.